Parks, of all hideous places. And all of a sudden, you know, in the doom and gloom of deeply, deeply commercial coffee, I heard an incredible sound, and it was this woman singing an equally incredible song that she wrote. And I got her record, which is called "Hunting My Dress," and I played it for the boys, and we all listened to it all last summer and the summer before, and we hope you love her as much as we do, and some of you already do, clearly. Please make welcome Miss Jesca Who.
Good evening. What an introduction. You guys all right? Yeah. I'm good too. Apparently, you know the starling, the little bird that flies in formation in the sky? And do you know how it does that? Its wings are hollow. But its formations, apparently how it formed those formations in the sky, it mirrors 7 of its neighbors, each one of them mirroring 7 of its neighbors. And this song kind of pulls from those birds flying in formation, and kind of like how women are so complicated, they're like those birds in those formations. And you just gotta hang in there, men. Pay very close attention.
Keeping the demon